JH307 lesson 21 Wednesday 19 Feb. Okay, so what I want to say is, okay, this is e power x. You must remember that log is the same as log base e. Okay, so just take a look at your answer. If you have done extra questions, you let me know. I just mark for you. Okay, now a note when I was marking 8b, some of you may have gotten something like this. I think you got plus minus 10 x minus x over 2 minus 1. There is no minus, you must reject the minus. You must reject the negative. Okay, you need to reject the negative. If you have a negative, you need to reject the negative. Why? Okay, because if you look at this, what's the condition on y? Y cannot be negative. So this is the condition to reject your answer. You all must remember, you solve log equation, the base and the term cannot be negative. Log a x equals to y. Remember, a x must be positive, and at the same time the base cannot be 1. Y can be negative. Y can be negative. Okay, so that's why I observe. For C, more or less everyone got it correct. Hey, don't do this, I think I saw one kid, I can't remember it's 04 or some kid did this, this is wrong. Okay, wrong. Why, the scalar cannot push in. You cannot push in the scalar. It doesn't go into the term. Okay, so far? So you can see there's a difference, right? This one the scalar is outside, this one the scalar is inside. Cannot, cannot, Okay, okay. Lloyd, so you see, can I say this? Sine 3x, if I divide by 3, can I say it's equals to sine x? No, because this is not a algebra. This is not a term. Okay, similarly, this is also wrong. Wrong. Okay? Yes. Can I leave AB in the square root form? Yeah, it's fine. But as long as there's no minus, only plus. So what you're saying is you are leaving it like this, 10 x minus 2. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Can, the whole thing out of 2. Okay, you can do this. You can do this, ln x minus 4, the whole thing out of 2. That is okay. Ethan, Le Chong, Xing Yang. Okay. 10a. I go to 10a. 10a, the answer is 2. If you never get 2, can you just do correction? Okay, if you got 2, good for you. Okay, anyway, I just saw, I think about 1/3 of you all already submitted practice set 1. Most of it is very easy to mark. Everything is correct. Okay. So I hope you never copy. If you copy, don't. Okay, don't. Doesn't help. Yeah, you're just wasting your time. Okay. Okay. X over y equal to 2. So far, okay? Okay, ma? Yeah. Okay. Ethan, okay? Zoe, okay? Feeling better? No, okay. Try lah. Try. The days are long, but the years are short. Very fast. Okay. XY square equals to AB. Wei Xiang, okay? Very simple, just help me to mark only. Just help me to mark. Legit, just help me to mark. Okay. Question 11. Oh, question 11 is below. 11D, 11C, 11DEF, 25, 16, 0, 1. Those of you whom I have already marked, you don't need to pass back to me again. Okay? Don't need to pass back, because I already put on the Google Sheet already. Okay, I'll see it on Google Sheet. Oh. Nice, nice. 6 pack. You got a lot of apps, so you keep touching. I also have a lot of apps. You want to see my phone? I buy a lot from the App Store. Okay. So DEF, okay, a lot, 1501. Anyone not sure? Edison? Anyone cannot do? Yesu can do, right? Yesu submitted both again. Okay. Mitra can do? Joshua can do? Oh, anyone never do your practice set? Anyone not ready? Not ready, Okay, thank you for being honest, Okay, by tomorrow lah, ASAP. Okay, You must give me latest next week so that I got time to mark and return you back so that you can use it to study for quiz 2. Okay. Okay. Question 12C. You should get log base A 64. Log base A 64. Yes. Two log A 6. Oh, you mean? Do you mean? It can also be like this. It can also be like this. Okay? Is that similar to yours? 2 log A 8. Okay lah. Okay. Because the question is to say what? Because they want single log. Single. Okay, single. So that means single means you try to have single log, right? It means guys, give me a while. Coefficient 1. Coefficient 1. Okay? Can That means if you have log 2 log A8, this is not single. This is, you try to put it square. Log A64. Like that better. Okay.
In the practice you get no question 9. So that's why I didn't do question
9 Yeah, I have to do 9. No leh.
you just not sure.
No 9 There's no 9. Is there a 9? No 9 leh. Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry. Okay. The last question, log base A6. Log base A6. Is it okay? Not okay. Yeah. Wrong. You know Okay. Remember, log cannot do this, Samuel. Cannot do this. You cannot log 7x 8x minus 4 divided by 4. You don't do this. This is not the same as log 2x minus 1. No. Okay, you also cannot say this is ln 2x minus ln 1. Can or not? Can or not? Can Can your backside can, No, wrong. This one wrong. You got it, you got it. Okay, can. Okay. Oh, okay. So can any issue? Wei Xiao, okay? Okay. Can Okay, so then I will start. I want to pass you AFL 2 to do first. Why? What's wrong? Okay, give it to me by the end of the lesson. This is for pass down. Okay, pass down. Yeah. Okay, so now let's go to the AFL. AFL 2. Sorry? Can we what? Oh. This is AFL 2. Have you all done this before? No. Do you know why or not? Because it's coming down the road now. Any extra please pass to the right. I believe this group does not have. Have? You got it already? All have? Cham have? Douglas have? Javier have? Any extra please pass to your right. Pass to the handsome boy there. Okay. Okay. So now I start. Okay, children. Remember, in question 1, it's about packing. Okay, so you either pack or you do substitution. Here, I see that the base are different. Okay, I see that the base is different. So, I try to do on your own. It's okay. I try to. You don't have to listen to me if you do not wish to. Yeah, but I'm just going to try lah. So it's also good for the recording. Okay, so you can see that 3 root 3 3, right? This guy seems to be the odd one now. I'm going to try to change her or him, right, to base 3. Applying the law of indices, I can say this is log 3 x plus 5 minus log base 3 x minus 1 log base 3 square root 3 equals to log base 3 2. My end goal is very simple. I want to get one log function equals to n log one log function. Then I can cancel out the log. This is my end step. This is my final step. That is what I want to achieve. Okay, guys? So, if I look at log base, just give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. Let me just screenshot and put this below so that I got space. Okay, children? So from here, oh my god. Okay, so from here you can see I can take log 3x plus 5. The denominator is the same as log 3 to the power of root 3 is just the same as log 3 3 power half. And what's log 3 3 power half? It's the same as half log 3 3. What is half log 3 3? It's the same as half lah. Okay, so this is the same as log base 3 2. Is that okay? Is that okay? Can So when you divide by half, it's the same as like times 2. Okay, ma? We divide by half, the denominator of the is the same. So it's the same as log base 3 x plus 5 minus 2. What am I trying to do here? I'm trying to pack. What is this the same as? Log base 3 x plus 5 minus log 3 x minus 1 square. I'm really trying to squeeze them together. Applying the quotient law. After I apply the quotient law, you can see I'm trying to get log base 3. You do not have to listen to me if you are comfortable with doing it on your own. See, this is what I'm doing. I get 1 log equals to 1 log. And what do I do next? I cancel out the log. Nice and easy. So this is x plus 5. X minus 1 square equals to 2. X plus 5 equals to 2 bracket x minus 1 square. Solve. You should know what to do next. Okay, you should know what to do next. This is question 1A. Okay, the idea, the principles are very simple, right? What are the principles in solving log equation? Number 1, you always try to create the same base. Same base, then we can talk business. Same base, then we can apply law, right? Number 2, you try to pack. In this case, you try to pack. You try to pack until you have log A, one function equals to log A, another function, so that you can cancel. so that you can cancel. Okay, that is the idea. What's the answer, huh? Let me write the answer for you. Okay, can so you can see clearly. Is this the AFL? AFL 2, okay, let me write the side. Okay, AFL 2, you can x equals to 3. Okay, you reject. B is 1023. 2A is 1.77. B is 0.00248 or 54.6. Okay? You change the half. Okay, so what you do, can I say the half, you can bring it to the front. Power half can bring to the front. Log 3, log base 3 of 3 is the same as 1. So now you divide by half. If you divide by half, what does it become? Times 2 lah. Then the times 2 will become a power 2. Okay? Can? How to do part D?
I don't even know.
Part B,
I don't know where to start.
Okay, so if you look at part B, let me, good question. Okay, so now you look at, sorry, wait, okay, it's one at a time, okay, same thing, okay, so now if you look at part B, how do you simplify this, right? Okay, again, it's about change of base, right? So no one will tell you lah, but you have to intuitively, these are the principles I always live by. I always try to find the same base. Okay, I always find the same base. So now the base is different. Log 2, 3, log 3, 4, all different base. What do you do? Mitra, what will you do? Base x. Base x. Is it nice to have x as a base? Not say it's wrong. Is it nice to have x as a base? Something unknown. You want to use it as your base. Is it comfortable for you? Any other number you want to choose? Familiar. What are the familiar bases? In your calculator, what are familiar bases? 10. You say 10, Good. Okay, good. So can I say this is the same as LG3, LG2? Can I say this is LG4, LG3? Can I say, okay, Mitra, do you see something? Yes, it cancels out. It's a cancerous process. How do I know, sorry? How do I know when to stop? Because the last term, right, will be log x plus 1 over LGX. LGX plus 1 over LGX. You agree? It will be this term, which is equals to 10. At the same time, you know that it cancels in a top left, bottom right direction. Diagonal, cancel, cancel, cancel. You expect that this term will cancel off also. Very good. Then log x plus 1 equals to 10 LG2. Remember, what do? Same base and you pack. How do I pack? Make sure both sides is a single log with coefficient 1. Okay, Make sure both sides is a single log. So Joshua, I want single log. I want coefficient 1. What do I do to the 10? Very good. What do I do to the log? Cancel. X plus 1 equals to 2 power 10. 2 power 10 is 1024. X equals to 1023. Easy, right? Easy, How do I know? Okay, that's why it's very open-ended skill. It's just like composition. How do you know what to write? Nobody will tell you how to approach a math question. Yeah, I try to, these are some of my guiding principles. I try to look for same base. My base not the same, I make the base the same. Then I try to pack. You can see what I do here. Okay. I pack until the lock is together. Then I can cancel off the lock. Okay. Okay, so here you cannot. It's not a single lock. Do you realize? This is not a single lock. You want a single lock, what do? You should get the logarithm first to combine using quotient law. Then you can remove the lock. You understand? You must remove, you cannot remove double. Okay, it must be a single lock. Really, you only see one lock on both sides. Coefficient 1. Then you remove the lock. Okay, why do we reject? So you remember the base, right? What did I say about the base? What did I say about the log AY equals to AX? Y equals to log AX. What is the condition? A must be... Okay, remember, Zoe, A must be positive. A cannot be 1. X also cannot be negative. It must be positive. So now you look at the equation. If you have negative half, X has negative half, what happens here? Zoe, tell me, what happens here? What happens here? Can or not? That means I'm going to have log base 3 of negative 3 over 2. Can or not? Cannot. Okay, all? No need. So what you need to do is very simple. The idea is you start back inside. You check that it does not defy any of the definitions of log function. So I got negative half, right? I sub negative half inside here. Then I realize cannot. This one not defined. Okay? That's how I reject answer. You don't need to sub left, sub right. You want to sub left, sub right, like certs, also can. Need lah. Yeah. But the thing is, when you sub, you realize that, somehow cannot leh. Doesn't work out leh. Doesn't sub. It doesn't give you, it's not defined. That's how also you can find out. Just that no need so tedious. Okay, so I slowly go to 2A. 2A is again, same base. Right, I always talk about same base. Right, if it's a minus or plus, probably you cannot pack. You can't do packing. What can you do? You got idea, Javier? What can you do if this one, I cannot do packing, what will I do? Simplify and then I let 3 power x, be A or U. Very simple, right? So now you see the question, you get some experience. Okay, Question 2, very chill. Pack everything to 3 power x. 9 is the same as 3 power 2x. 3 power x is the same as 3 power x times 3 power 1. Minus 28 equals 0. Okay? Then you let 3 power x be u. So once you are here, right? Once you are here, okay, very simple. Now it's quite good already. You just need to look at 1b, right? Okay, very simple. You push. Remember, the idea is to get single lock. I want single lock. Lock, single, lock, single. So this is what I mean by lock, single, and lock, single. Okay, I want a lock, single here. Lock, single here. Coefficient 1. Then I can cancel. So now I see a lock 2. I bring a 10 up power. I cancel the log on both sides. X plus 1 equals to 1024. 2 power 10 is 1024. Calculator can give it to you. Very easy one. Or you play the 2048 game. Or you remember. So X easily gives you 1023. Very simple skill. Very simple skill.
I multiply, I find this number, so it's a bit smaller, so I get 999.
You multiply this number. What do you mean?
So I found this is 3.
How come it's 3? No, uncle, it's 2. It's 10. 10 times log 2,
Yeah, I thought what is 3.0102.
I believe 3.01, right? Okay, so 3.01. Then remember, you need to bring a base 10 here, right? So it's 10 to the power of 3.01, which will be 30 point something. 10 to, sorry. 10 to the power of 3.01. 0.01 something like that. You can see it's 1023. Oh, okay, oh. But the thing is, Tuan, you will not get exact value. If I want the exact value, then maybe can I say you do this method, then you get an exact value. Okay? This one, okay, there's some trick. Okay, I can tell you the idea is by substitution. Bring your 2 down. This one can bring 2 down, this one cannot, right? Let U be ln x. Answers are here.
Once you saw the equation, and then you
Log both sides. This one. How do I do after? You're done already, huh? You got the answers ready? Okay, then you take out. Oh no, topic 3A. Whose water is this? Oh, it says Isaac here. Just kidding. Once you are done, okay, you can pass the completed self-mark, pass the completed AFL to the beautiful math prep, then we start AFL. Okay. Okay, pass down AFL 3. Okay, yeah. 2B, 2A. Okay, so 2A, log 3x 2x, can I say this is the same as 3 power x times 2? Okay, you get 3 power x equals to 7. What do you do here? You log both sides, right? You log both sides, right? Okay. Then what do you do here? Divide, bring the log down. Divide by log 3 on both sides. Take LG7, divide by LG3. What do you get? You should get 1.77. Bet you $5. You don't get, I changed my surname to follow Megan's one. Or Eleni's one. Eleni's also done, right? No, Eleni's shit. Oh no, no Eleni's one. Huh? Huh? Can, right? Can get, right? Okay. So now I look at B. Okay, what about B? Okay, B is, it looks sneaky and confusing. But actually, this guy here can be, you can bring down, right? Ln x whole thing square cannot bring down. But this you can change it to 2 ln x minus 24. Let ln x be u square plus 2u minus 24 equals 0. Very easy. U minus 6, u plus 4 equals 0. Wrong. U plus 6, u minus 4 equals 0. Okay? Yeah. Okay, you give me a second. Okay, so you pass to 4.1. Okay, so then this is u equals to -6. Sorry, let me finish because I try to use the time to go through. Okay, ln x equals to -6. Okay, a lot of people, some students stop here. Okay, so just be careful. This is a potential trap. When I did a 304, a lot of them saw this and then they go and put reject. No. A lot of people see this, then they go and put reject. Cannot be negative. No. Can. Right? Because we are talking about the y value. The y value can be negative. Do not reject. Okay. How do I solve this? X e power -6. X e power 4. Okay? That's why you get use these two values. Okay. Nice and easy. Very comfortable. Okay. Very easy to do. Okay. Topic 3 AFL2 is pretty straightforward and comfortable. Okay. Now, if you are done, may I ask for you to prioritize topic 3 practice set 2 and topic 3 assignment first. Okay, do these two now. The AFL 3 you can hold on to it later. So you do your assignment now. So first you do practice set 2. Second you do practice assignment. I will target to go through this week. Okay,谢谢。哇，每个孩子像你这样就好了，太好了，so blessed. Thank you. Hold your paper properly. I whole day bend down, help you pick up. Wow, by the time I need to see the what physio already. Okay. Practice. Oh, there's a practice set 3 also. Sorry, there's a practice set 3 as well. Yeah. Practice set 2, practice set 3, and assignment. Okay. Thank you. If you all have homework, right, let's try to standardize. Okay, we give at the last 1 to 2 minutes of the lesson. Is it okay? Can everybody? Just take note. 07, take note. We give at the or you can pass to Sitong, or you can just pass at the last 1 minute. So we don't need to keep collecting. Okay, you give, then I go to you, you go to you, then it's waste a lot of time. Okay. Yes? Okay, so first one. Who is doing practice set 2 now? Okay, practice set 2. Practice set 2, first one. Okay, solve each of the following equations. Now here, very simple. The strategy, A, B only. Don't go and do all. If you want to do more, I will not stop you because I can totally admire the hard work. Okay, you solve by packing. What do I mean by packing? Pack these two together. Okay, this is the same as log base 2 x minus 2 8 minus x over x minus 5 equals to 3. Change to index form. X minus 2 8 minus x x minus 5 equal to 2 power 3. Easy as that. Okay, those of you on practice set 2. This is what I call packing. You pack until single log, so it's easy for you to clear up the mess. Clear up not say mess up, the 2 power. Okay, from here you should be able to solve. Can it should be quite straightforward. Okay, if you got homework to give, don't worry, just wait for the last 1 to 2 minutes. Yes, Mitra. Sorry, when the base is smaller, it's higher. When the base. Are you talking about practice set 2? Oh, okay. I get what I mean. Okay. Okay, you're talking about nodes, this one, right? Okay, why is log 2x? Okay, so you think about it, okay. Mitra, okay, so for example, but remember we talked about y is the, okay, this is the growth rate, this is the result, and what does y represent? What does y represent? Okay, if y equals to log 2x, 2 is the growth rate, y is the result, x is the result. What does y give you? Sorry? Oh, okay. Y equals, okay, 32 equals to log base 2 of 5, right? Log base 2 of 32 is equal to 5. Correct? This is the growth rate. This is the result. And what does 5 represent? The power, the number of times I have done it. Right now, remember, when we talk about the way that I sell you logarithm, is you try to see that when you have 32 equals to log base 2 power 5, sorry, I keep writing it wrong. 5, this is the growth rate. This is the result. And this is the number of times I have grown. Number of times I have done it. Now you see, if I compare log base 2 of x, log base 2 of log base 3 of x. Okay? So I give you an example. I'm a banker, you are a banker. Every year I double my money. You triple your money. For us to get to the same amount, would I have to work harder? Make sense? If I'm only doubling, but Mitra is tripling. For me, I need to get to the same amount, right? Right? Agree with me that y1 must be above y2. Because y is the number of times I have to work. Base 2 and base 3. Base 2 have to work harder than base 3. That's the layman idea. But of course, if I were to really just put it, it's really just sub in the values and see. Okay, you see, for example, you try log 2 10, log 3 10, you can see that they are different. Okay? Can because now very simple. For 2 to get to 10, I have to work more as compared to 3 to get to 10. Can? Does it sell to you? Yeah. Okay. Sorry?
The graph of this assignment, 1 to log x, it will just be the same. It just be this. The graph will just be
Yeah, same.
and it will pass the one just 1.
Yes. It will always be the. So remember yesterday I say the.
Y coordinate.
It will always be this line. Correct. It will be this line. It will be this line. Here. Yeah. Okay, no, this one you cannot multiply.
You bring the 2 to here. You bring the 2 here, and then you sub log x as y. Log x to give put log e x to first. Yeah. So exactly. So this one you divide. So just sub log. You can't sub log ex as y. So you get y squared minus 2y.
Usually, typically, if we can, we try not to write log base e, we try to write ln. So it's clean. It's clean. Okay? Once you are comfortable, try to avoid writing log e. Okay? Log e is for a start when we introduce. Okay? So at the competitive level, let's try to write ln. Okay. Okay, so first of all, I try my best, 12 and 2. Can or not? Got some mistake, This one. Oh, okay. So as much as possible, you make your coefficient positive. So let's say if I have this, okay, personally, this is what I do. I always make sure my biggest guy is positive, so that it's easy to work. Okay? Okay. Oh, yes. Zihan, thank you. Okay. Sorry. I need to mention something very important. Okay, when you solve, guys, listen. Important, very important. Pay attention. Okay. the teachers have discussed, so it's a bit different from previous years. Okay, I say again, very important, I need your attention. Very important. When you solve a quadratic equation, listen, when you solve a quadratic equation, you need to show factorization. Can I say this? Can you write this down somewhere? You need to show factorization. You cannot just straight away from here write x equals to 1, x equals to 2. Cannot. There's a change. I know last time I say can, now cannot. Apparently, yeah lor. So just make sure you yes. Then you can use quadratic formula. But you need to show quadratic formula. Cannot. Yeah lor. Cannot. Can So means you cannot just use calculator lah. Okay oh. Yeah. Yes. Separate diagram means different graph or different pictures lah. You draw 不同的图片，不同的屏幕怎么画
With a demo.
？With the demo， 没有，这个哦，你要尽量要自己画，你尽量要自己画。OK，so what's base in Chinese？ Okay. Base as in math base, not the Oh my god. Oh, it's 9 o'clock already. Okay guys, sorry, I got to go. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so that's all. Then I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, okay, start to pass me your work. Then tomorrow we will do AFL 3 and we will practice set 2 in class. Okay, that's all. Thank you, class.